Yes, we have completed exercise 7a in yesterday's class. Look at question number exercise 7b. I have told you to read about the things related to train, tunnel, canal or bridges. Always you should keep it in mind, when the train crosses a single object, the distance covered by train is equals to the length of train. And when it covers a wider object as tunnel, canal, bridge, platform, the distance traveled by the train is equal to length of train plus length of that canal, that platform. So this is already I have asked you to read. Now we'll start the exercise. Question number 1, it says, calculate the time taken by a train 100 meter long moving at a speed of 25 km per hour to cross a signal post. Single post means the distance covered by train would be equal to the length of train. By train is equal to 100 meter. Speed is 25 km per hour. You can see the speed is in hour and this is in meter. This is kilometer, this is in meter. So we'll convert the speed in meter per second. In meter per second is equal to 25 multiply with 5 by 18 meter per second. So speed in meter per second we have to convert. So I have multiplied with 5 by 18. So that gets you 125 by 18 meter per second. So time is equal to d by s, or 100 by 125 by 18 meter, not meter, seconds. Or it gives you 100 by 125 into 18. 25 fours are 25 fives are seconds. 72 by 5 seconds, 14.4 seconds will be the answer for number 1. Question number 2, it says, in how much time will 150 meter long train cross a 250 meter long bridge if the train travels at a speed of 50 km per hour? So just look at the first one. Distance travel by train would be length of train plus length of bridge, or it gives you length of train is 150 meter, length of bridge is 250 meter. So with what distance train is covering? 400 meter. Is it? Because it is covering a wider thing, wider object. Speed is 50 km per hour. Again we have to convert it into meter per second. So this will be 50 into 18 by 5 meter per second. Sorry, 5 by 18 meter per second. Now the time we have to find. I'm not going to reduce it. Just leave it like that only, no problem. So the time will be 400 by 250 by 18 seconds, or just we'll do it 400 into 18 by 250 seconds. 0 cancelled. 5 8s are 40, 5 5s are 25. So 18 8s are 144 by 5 seconds, or 5 2s are 10, 5 8s are 40, 5 8s are 40. So 28.8 seconds. 2 you have to do. I'm not going to do. Now question number 3, it says a train crosses a 200 meter platform in 5 seconds, while the other train takes 12 seconds to cross the same platform. If both the trains are of length 100 meter, find the ratio of their speed. Now, both the cases we have to find the speed, then their ratio. Question number 3. Length of train is 100 meter. Length of platform is 200 meter. So distance covered by train, hundred plus 200 meter, or this is 300 meter. Speed of time taken by first train, time taken by first train is equal to 5 seconds. So what would be the speed of first train? (300 by 5) meter per second, 60 meter per second. Okay. Now the second train is also crossing the same platform and the length of train is same. According to the question, time taken by second train is equal to 12 seconds. So what will be the speed? 400 by 12. It is what? 5 seconds. Not 400, it is 300 meters only. Meter per second. 25 meter per second. Ratio, it was 60 meter per second. This is 25 meter per second. Meter per second is cancelled. 5 5s are 5 12s are. So the ratio is 12:5. This is the answer. This is for question number 3. Question number 4. Train A, 80 meter long, passes a 400 meter long tunnel in 12 seconds, while train B takes 15 seconds to cross the same tunnel. If both the trains are traveling at an equal speed, find the length of train B. Speed of train A, first number 4. Length of train A, 80 meter. Tunnel, length of tunnel, 400 meter. So the distance covered by train, A is 480 meter. Time, 12 seconds. So what will be the speed? 480 by 12 meter per second. 40 meter per second is the speed of first train, train A. According to the question, train B also has the same speed, is it? According to the question, train B has the same speed and crossing same tunnel in 15 seconds. Is it? So distance covered by train B, (40 meter per second into 15 seconds, 600 meters. Length of tunnel is 400 meters. So what will be the length of train? B is equal to 600 minus 400 meters. 200 meters long train is this. Is it? Because second train is also covering the same tunnel. Na? So length of tunnel was 400 meter, but it is covering 600 meter distance. So 200 meter is the length of train. An express train travels at a speed of triple the speed of a goods train. The length of goods train is 4 times the length of express train. Calculate the ratio of time taken by them to pass a telegraph pole. Once it is passing a telegraph pole, it means it is crossing a distance equals to its length, is it? Let the length of express train be x. So length of goods train is 4x, and let the speed of goods train be 1 meter per second. So the speed of express train is equal to 3 meter per second. Now time taken by the trains. Time taken by express train is equal to x by 3 seconds, and goods train is equal to 4x seconds, because this is length, this is speed. So d by s is equal to t. This is distance, this is speed. So again d by t. So this is 4x seconds only. So ratio would be x by 3 by 4x, or x by 3 into 1 by 4x. 1:12. Answer. So you leave it up to question number 5 today. Next day's class will be solving question number 6 and all. Till then you must keep practicing. Thank you, dears.